Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today we have a great little 10-minute core session, guys. 10 different exercises, it's no repeats, 40 seconds on, only 20 seconds off. That's all there is to it. Let's get going in about 5 seconds. Alright, welcome back. We'll get started in about 15 seconds. Let's get on the ground. First exercise is going to be circle hip raises. Lay down on the ground, support your lower back, straighten your legs out, and we're just going to do big circles all the way around. We're just going in one direction for 40 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And raise those hips up and give me big circles in one direction. Try to get those hips up off the ground. Support the lower backs if you have to. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next exercise, guess what? Circles in the other direction. So if you want counterclockwise, go clockwise, or vice versa. We'll get going in about 10 seconds. We got circles in the other direction. Ready? Let's get going about what we got here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep going, keep going. 15 seconds left. Two, 1, and relax. All right, from here we got a plank raise. So get in a plank position. It's pretty simple. Plank position, then you're gonna raise your hips up to the air. Kind of like if you're being tugged with a rope from your hips straight to the ceiling. So it's going to be the basic motion. Ready? Plank position, comfortable, and raise up and down. Up, down. Nice and easy, stay in control. This is my actual workout today. I just finished working out in the garage, guys. I did a quick weight training session. I can let you guys know in the description below what I did if you want to take a look. What I do on the days that I'm not filming most of the workouts. And let me know if you guys ever want to see any of those garage sessions. I can probably tape that. Won't be as pretty looking. If you think the basement looks bad, you should see my garage. But I can definitely film those for you. All right. So we just did the plank hip raise. Now we get back down on the butts. We're going to do a bicycle. So lay back, and I want a nice and controlled bicycle, like you're biking uphill, not necessarily going as fast as you possibly can. Ready? And let's go. Give me a basic crunch. That's all I want. 40 seconds on one side, 40 seconds on the other side. Catch your breath still. We have a couple seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and crunch it. Squeeze that core. Squeeze your head. Pull it really hard. Exercise. We got 10 seconds left, so relax a little bit and we'll get going very shortly. Ready? 5, 4, here's 3, 2, 1, and release for the nice jab, keep going. Keep it up, keep crunching. About 15 seconds left or so, keep it up. Three, 2, 1, and we're done with this one. All right, back to the plank position, guys. Straight arms this time, and we're just gonna put it in a straight arm push-up position, kind of. And we're just gonna walk it left, center, in, right, center, and in. Just gonna step in those directions, all right? So we're doing 40 seconds. Plank position, step left, step center, forward, back, right, center, forward, back, left, center, forward, back. Keep it up, keep moving with me. Center, in, left, center, in, center, right, perfect, center. You got it now, I hope I get it. Keep it up, center, in, and out. We got 5 seconds left. Center, in, and out. All right, let's look at the board and see what's coming up next. Balance crunches, I call it. I'm sure there's a different name for it. I'm calling it balance crunch. So you can balance either like this, or you can sit up and just bring your legs in and out, in and out. That's all we're doing. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Perfect, keep it up. This exercise always gets me because it looks a lot easier than I think that it is actually. I'm like, oh, this is pretty easy. I get to balance on my arms and just bring my legs in and out. For some reason, it starts hurting after about 20 seconds, like right about now. Keep going, however. Let's go, come on. 15 seconds left. 13, 12. Now we're down to single digits, keep it up. 2, 1, and relax. All right, we only got 2 left. Here we go with the old Russian twist, guys. We know what to do here. You can keep your legs on the ground if you like, or you can bring them up. Bring them up for as long as you can. How was that for a little challenge? I'm gonna try to bring my legs up, keep them up there for as long as I can, and twist. Ready? 2, 1, legs up, and let's go. Keep going. 25% down, only 30 seconds left. Come on, keep going. "15 seconds, keep it up. If your legs are up, keep them up here. Come on, don't put them down. 10 seconds, let's go. 5, 3, 2, and 1. All right, then we'll finish up with some plank taps. So get in the push-up plank position once again. You're gonna tap your hand, then you're gonna tap your shoulder, your hip, and your foot, all right? 40 seconds of that. Find a good balance. I wanna face the camera on this one. 1, and let's go. So give me hand, shoulder, hip, and then reach back for your foot, and reach back for your foot on the other side. Ready? Hand, shoulder, hip, foot, hand, keep it up. So shoulder, hip, reach for your foot, and then the other one. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 seconds left. Let's do one more. 2. There's the clap. 3. Let's finish up. 4. Give me a foot, and give me a foot on the other side. All right, guys, that was it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our quick 10-minute ab workout today, guys. I hope you had fun. I had a blast. I just finished my workout, like I said, up in the garage. This was my core finisher today. Come back and check out some of the other videos if you want to, and maybe you can use this as your core finisher. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with anybody that you know, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.